Hi, I'm Michael and welcome to MSL Upholstery. For over 30 years I've been restoring and creating furniture for designers and private homes. I've been lucky enough to work at the high end of this industry, including time spent with Royal Warrant-holding firms, and now I'm sharing what I've learned with you. Upholstery isn't just about fabric and staples, it's about patience, care and transformation. Every piece of furniture has a story. In upholstery, we uncover it, one layer at a time. When you make something with your own hands, you really do start to feel and see things differently. On this channel, you'll learn the craft step by step at your own pace, and maybe you too will discover the quiet satisfaction that comes from making furniture feel good about itself.